Top news of Putin's madness. What kind of fakes can discredit an army that kills, rapes, tortures and loots civilians, burns stacked corpses of children and sends parcels of scrap taken from its victims to their families? In the photo, these are the marks Ukrainian mothers make on their children in case the mother is killed. Bucha is just the beginning. The deoccupation of Mariupol, Kherson, Melitopol, Berdyansk and the Kharkiv region is ahead. It's scary to imagine that we'll see. According to information from local residents, Russian construction equipment, truck cranes, bulldozers, drug-mounted derricks and mobile crematoria came to Mariupol. Why? Maybe to clear the rubble and burn the bodies of moderate Ukrainians, and not to repeat the discoveries in Bucha and the mistakes of the Serbs with mass graves. This is mobile Auschwitz. Satellite images showed that the bodies in Bucha were laying on the highway as early as March 19. This is the 21st century. The whole world is living in, and that's why the world sees everything. Putin's dumb backward generals and propagandists stuck in the Middle Age just don't get it. "79% of Russians approve of Putin's performance as president. Just 20% more and it will be just like Ceausescu the week before." Google "How to leave Russia" hits a 10-year high. Queries for the world immigration increased fourfold. For political asylum, fivefold. Yandex queries "How to leave Russia" for the last year made 4,000 people a week. Recently, 40,000 a week.